Hello guys, welcome. In this video we will learn how to link two different pages of HTML5 and how to create an outbound link or link with other websites. Plus we will learn how to add images, videos, and how to create buttons in our HTML5 document. So in this video I'm going to do something like different, and beside using this file, first of all I'm going to create a folder for our project, make two files inside one folder and link them together and add images and pictures inside that. So first of all, let's say we want to create a new folder. Let's create a new folder here. Let's say I'm saying quick. Okay, dragging this quick folder or coming to the Visual Studio Code, open folder. Let's find the folder and open it here. After opening, press the yes, I trust the author. Okay, now it is your file and it is open. So you can create a file by pressing the new file. For example, I'm going to name it index.html. Inside the same folder I can create as many files as I want or need. So the other file will be about.html, but they have to have the .html extension. Okay, inside the first file I'm going to create a document and name it a home page. Write a big text here like welcome to homepage. Let's save it. Let's go live. Okay, welcome to homepage. Our index page is ready. Now it's about to move to the about file. Okay, about page and a big title on the about page, about page. Let's see. Now we can open them separately from the folder. They both are inside one folder. So remember that all the files related to our website must be inside one folder. And now let's create a link and link the about and index page. So under this welcome to home page, I'll create a link with the A or anchor tag. So just write A and press the tab button. It will create the link for you, or if you want it custom, so you can use the A anchor tag. Close it. Inside the starting tag you can just write href and give the link of the page that you want to navigate to. So I want to navigate to about page. I write inside the tag the about word, and in the href I just give the name or the address of that page. The about.html pages inside our root, so we don't need to mention any folder such as pages slash about.html. We can just do it directly because they both are in same folder, about and index page. So we can just write about.html and let's save it. You can see that a new link is generated here, and if you click on this we just navigate to the about page and we can go back by the browser's back button. The same way we can go to the about page and create a new a link to the home page. So we'll index.html because it's exactly the same as the file name here, and just write a home on this. Okay, if we navigate to the about page we can just see the home link as well inside the about page as we created it just now. This is how to link the two pages of HTML5. Now if we create an outbound link or a link to other websites, we can do something like that, again using the same thing, but we have to mention the HTTP or HTTPS protocols and the complete URL. For example, if we want to link to Google, so we just can say www.google.com and with the HTTP, and just right here, for example, go to Google. Let's save it. Yeah, we have the link here. Go to Google. Let me use a BR tag to bring it down. Okay, and when we create on the go to google.com, it will just go to Google. oops, my internet connection is not working, so it's not going, otherwise it would go to the Google page. And another thing that we have to remember, we can use a attribute called target, which helps us keep our own website and open the outbound link in another tab. Now when we click on the go to Google, the Google page will replace our website. But if you want the link to open in a new tab, we can just use the target attribute and just say underscore blank, so it will open it in another tab on inside other tab. So let's just, you can just see this, when I presently go to Google, another tab is open. Our website is still here, but the link was open in another tab. Okay, this was how to create an outbound. Besides, let's learn how to insert images to our website or use. That is quite easy. We have the image tag, and with the source attribute, inside the source attribute we just give the address of the page. We can use an online source to here, or an offline source. If it is offline, make sure that the image is present in your project folder. So our project folder is quick, and we have to bring the image here inside this quick folder. So let me search, let's save, let's copy and put it here. Okay, now we have that picture inside our Visual Studio Code as well, so we can just say, because the picture is in the root folder, we can just mention the name delta io.png and save it and check it on the browser. The image is inserted inside the about.html, so I have to go to the about page. So as you can see that we have the image here finally. Yeah, and if the image is not in the root folder but inside another folder called images, and if we just move it to there, okay, let's say, yeah, now we got the because the address is wrong, the source address is wrong, so we cannot see the image displayed on the web page. Instead we can use the alt attribute alternative text, and we can just say that image, or any other phrase, you image phrase or alternative text, sorry. So this is the alternative text for the image, because the link is broken. So now when our picture or image is inside the folder, we have to mention the folder name before the uh, file name, images slash delta io. Now if we save, we get back the picture. We have the some attributes for the image tag, and the first one is the width. We can mention the width, for example, for 200 pixel of the picture, we got the width 200 pixel, and we can just say the when you just mention the width, the height is automatic, and when you can again mention for example 400 pixel the height. Now we got 200 width and 400 height, and you can just make it a bit less. So, and if you mention the height and remove the width will be auto, and the image will look as it is. You can use percentage as well instead. This was for this video, and thank you so much.